The Government of India has asked all the manufacturers and importers of mobile handsets to ensure that the Sanchar Sathi mobile application is pre-installed on all mobile handsets manufactured or imported for use in India. Ministry of Communications said in a statement Monday evening this was to safeguard the citizens from buying the non-genuine handsets, enabling easy reporting of suspected misuse of telecom resources, and to increase the effectiveness of the Sanchar Sathi initiative. The mobile handsets must have pre-installed Sanchar Sathi application readily visible and accessible to the end user at the time of the first use or device setup, and that its functionalities are not disabled or restricted. For all such devices that have already been manufactured and are in sales channels in India, the manufacturer and importers of mobile handsets shall endeavor to push the app through software updates. Not only the app needs to be installed, it must also stay installed and active. Directions mandate completing the implementation within 90 days and submitting the report within 120 days. The Department of Telecommunications is undertaking the Sanchar Sathi initiative for curbing the misuse of telecom resources for cyber fraud and ensuring telecom cyber security. DOT has developed the Sanchar Sathi portal, an app which enables citizens to check the genuineness of a mobile handset through the IMEI number, along with other facilities like reporting suspected fraudulent communications, lost stolen mobile handsets, checking mobile connections in their name, and trust contact details of banks, financial institutions. The opposition has meanwhile criticized the step. Congress MP Renuka Chaudhary on Tuesday stated in the parliament that there are many ways in which the Modi government disrupts democracy, and the Sanchar Sathi app is yet another instrument that diminishes the rights of citizens, just like the SIR. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi called the Sanchar Sathi app a snooping app, while Congress MP KC Venugopal described it as a dystopian tool for surveillance.
Sir, this matter is a continuation of what is troubling the House here. There are many ways in which we disrupt democracy, and bringing about the Sanchar Sathi app is yet another instrument of diminishing the right of the citizen, as is the SIR.
Nothing will go on record.
It is a snooping app. I mean, clearly, it's ridiculous. Now, where else do they want to, I mean, citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends, without the government looking at everything. It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship in every form. You ask me every day why Parliament is not functioning. It's not functioning because they are refusing to talk about anything. So it's very easy to blame the opposition, but the fact is they are not allowing any discussion on anything, and that is not democracy. A healthy democracy demands discussion, and everybody has different views. You hear them out.
प्रियंका जी, आपकी पार्टी ने क्या मांग करेगी? संचार साथी ऐप को वापस लिया जाए, एटलीस्ट रोल बैक किया जाए, रोल बैक
करना तो चाहिए. अभी मैंने सबसे बात नहीं की है, तो आज शायद वो चर्चा करके अपना डिसीजन लेंगे कि हमारा क्या स्टैंड है. लेकिन
the fraud will be easy to report. The government for national security.
But that's a very fine line, no? It's a very fine line between fraud is easy to report and we can see everything that every citizen of India is doing on their phone. So that's not how it should work.
Okay.
There should be an effective system to report fraud, and we've discussed this at great length on cyber security and this and that, and definitely there's a need for cyber security, but that doesn't mean that it gives you an excuse to go into every citizen's telephone. I don't think any citizen would be happy.
Election Commission ने WhatsApp.
It is an attack on privacy. This is what seems to be. Because in the name of helping the people's consumer, BJP government is trying to attack on privacy of the common people. We had an experience of Pegasus here in India. So the government is trying to put a surveillance on entire people of this country through this app.
Rijiju says that they are willing to listen on the SIR, but not right now. They are.
No, that is what their strategy every time. But before the parliament session, what is the problem for discussing now? What is the problem for discussing now? Because entire opposition is demanding a subject which is very relevant in current Indian politics. Why don't they allow for a discussion?
Union Minister of Parliamentary Affairs Kiren Rijiju on Tuesday responded to the opposition's criticism of the Sanchar Sathi app, urging parties not to create disruptions in Parliament and ensuring that the government is open to debate on all issues.
इशू ढूंढ करके लाने का आवश्यकता नहीं है। विंटर सेशन पार्लियामेंट में बिजनेस तय किया गया है, बहुत सारा मुद्दे हैं और कई मुद्दे जो अपोजिशन ने भी उठाया है उस पर हम बातचीत करके आगे क्या करना है इसमें विचार करेंगे। नए नए मुद्दे ढूंढ करके पार्लियामेंट को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए बहाना बनाने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। हर मुद्दे अपने जगह में इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन मुद्दे को आप हथियार बना करके पार्लियामेंट को स्टॉल करेंगे, ये तो ठीक नहीं है। बात करेंगे। मैं आज मैं अपोजिशन प्रमुख नेताओं से बात करेंगे, आज बात करेंगे। वैसे भी मैं टच में हूँ, मैं कुछ और बात लेकर के उनसे बात करूंगा। देखिए, हम शुरू से कहा है कि अपोजिशन पार्टी से बातचीत करने में हम बहुत ही अपने आप को आगे रखते हैं, मैं पीछे नहीं हटता हूं। और पार्लियामेंट्री डेमोक्रेसी में एक दूसरे के बीच में आदान प्रदान होना चाहिए। देखिए, उनके जो इश्यूज है उसको हम कम नहीं आंक रहे हैं, लेकिन इश्यूज बहुत होते हैं। एक इशू नहीं है, देश में कई इशू होते हैं। हम बात करेंगे।
बीच का रास्ता निकल सकता है, आप कोशिश तो कर रहे हैं।
हम रास्ता ढूंढ के निकलेंगे। बात करेंगे।
Also, amidst reports that the Sanchar Sathi app is being made mandatory and cannot be disabled or deleted, Union Minister for Communication Jyotiraditya Scindia, however, stated on Tuesday, one can delete it and that is optional.
आप उसको जिस तरीके से अपने फोन पे दूसरे ऐप को दबाओगे और कहोगे डिलीट, वैसे इसको भी दबा सकते हो और कह सकते हो डिलीट। चलिए, प्रॉब्लम क्या है कि विपक्ष कुर्सी के नीचे, कुर्सी के पीछे, कुर्सी के लिए मुद्दे ढूंढ रहा है। अब सभी भ्रमों को दूर करना सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है और सारे मुद्दे मैंने आपके समक्ष रख दिए कि आज तक पिछले 2 वर्षों में संचार साथी पोर्टल और संचार साथी ऐप के आधार पर कितनी सुविधा जनता को मिली है, कितना पैसा जनता का बचा है। और ये भी आंकड़े आपके सामने रख दूं, एक साल में 2024 में अकेले हमारे देश के अंदर 22,800 करोड़ रुपए के फ्रॉड हुए हैं। तो एक तरफ विपक्ष चिल्ला रहा है कि आप फ्रॉड कैसे रोकेंगे, दूसरी तरफ अगर संचार साथी का ऐप हमने आम नागरिक को दे दिया तो कह रहे हैं पेगासस। तो करो तो मरो, न करो तो मरो। तो जो लोग सत्य नहीं देखना चाहते हैं उन लोगों को हम सत्य नहीं दिखा सकते। जो लोग सुविधा इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं वो करें, जो नहीं करना चाहते हैं और डिलीट करना चाहते हैं वो डिलीट करें। प्रॉब्लम क्या है? थैंक यू।